guys, what's up? Cody from TechInform.us, and in today's video I wanted to unbox this Apple wireless keyboard. Now I picked this up at my local Best Buy for $69, so let's get right into this. So as you can see on the outside of the box, Apple logo, keyboard, wireless keyboard, just some stuff about the keyboard down here, and the other side of the keyboard. So, the knife. Take the plastic off and get into this. This is going to be replacing my wired keyboard, my Apple wired keyboard. So here we go. We have the wireless keyboard right here. Let's try to get this out. Really simple, really nice feeling. I guess we have the strip in the center now, not the side. When I saw an unboxing of these, I saw it on the side. I guess the newer ones have it in the center. Let's pass it to the side. In here, let's look what we have. I don't believe we have Apple stickers. If we do, be surprised. Nope, don't see any Apple stickers in here. So you just get your instructions and whatever. So here's the keyboard itself. When you get it, it just comes like this, cellophane all over it. I love ripping the cellophane off. So there you go. Pull the keyboard out, I'm guessing. There we go. Tabs. Lift the keyboard out. There's the cellophane. And we're greeted with the wireless aluminum keyboard by Apple. Now this is Bluetooth, and oh, that's a nice touch. There is a little piece of plastic over that screw there. Pull that plastic off, put that right on that, and there's also plastic on this one. Pull that off, and I'm guessing there are, I don't know if there are batteries in here or not. But that's the unboxing of the Apple wireless keyboard. I will have a full review of this unit up in the next few weeks. I'm going to be using this for my MacBook Pro 2011 model. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will be unboxing this bad boy in a few minutes. Thanks guys, see you in the next video. Follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/Colt4595, and check out the website, techinform.us. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.